Hello, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to tell you this new information about crypto. Let's go to this site. Okay, this is the kind of the meeting about the crypto which is held on Toronto May 14 up to 16. This meeting is too big one, so don't miss this conference because there is so many speakers, investors, big companies. So this the crypto most influential. There is Forbes. The participant for this meeting is all about above 20k. It's really from the 100 countries attended this consensus 2025 conference, which is held on Toronto. So asset managed by the finance giant gathered in the consensus. Now, what is the consensus? Since in 2015, consensus has been more event as the normal gathering to the trib and to almost influence the voice of blockchain. Web3 and AI come together to drive innovation forward. On 2025, Consensus brings the flagship event in Toronto. Toronto, I think Toronto is the Canada as the country, where the world first Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF were born in 2025. Consensus, as known as North America third largest tech ecosystem and the second largest financial hub, Toronto units global innovation through transformative technology leadership. Judean CoinDesk Foundation, independent unbiased journalism, Consensus Toronto will live together breakthrough technology through digital asset to artificial intelligence, fostering the collaboration that define what's next. Don't miss a moment. Join us on Toronto. So this CoinDesk, it's like an exchanger. You can get more information about the crypto prediction price, price of the cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and so on. So the speaker on that conference is first one, Eric Trump. This the son of Donald Trump, as the president of America, co-founder and the chief strategy officer of American Bitcoin. Yeah, this executive vice president, the Trump organization. There's also Kevin O'Reilly, chairman, O'Reilly Ventures as the company. You heard. Also, we have the Robert Hines, Executive Director of President Council of Advisors of Digital Asset in the White House. This gentleman, it's head the crypto asset in the White House, and also we have this one is Charles Hoskinson, CEO and the co-founder and the founder of Input Output. We can view another speaker here. Let's see another speaker here from industry leaders. Our speaker, okay. Also we have this the Dave Patronoy, founder and chief of content, Bristol Sports. We have also Kevin O'Reilly, as I said. You have Rain Maida, founder, lead singer for our Ready Peace, CEO, Fandrop. Okay. Adrian Ann Harris, Superintendent, New York Department of Financial Service. So Dan Moorhead, founder and CEO, Pantera Capital. Sergey Nazarov, co-founder Chainlink. Chainlink, this is the big companies in crypto. Chainlink, where the some network hosted there on Chainlink like Ethereum, like Solana, Polygon, and so on. We have Anthony Scaramucci, founder of Skybridge Capital. This is the an organization. You heard. You have also Paul Grower, chief legal officer of Coinbase. Coinbase is the company. It's like a Binance. It's like a Binance. Okay, it is an exchange where you can get more information about crypto. You can trade them on there, like a Binance. Coinbase, it's an American exchange, which is very powerful. Yeah, this is the chief legal officer of this company. Dean Sakruka, president and CEO of WonderFi. I have Justin Sun, co-founder of Tiron. Tiron is another cryptocurrency which is popular. Tiron, it have its own building network. This is the founder of Tiron, Justin Sun. Have Ambre Sabrina, CEO of Koiko. Koiko, it's like a coin maybe. Lucas Mason, chief of Coinbase Canada. As I've said, Coinbase. Tony Farrell, chief executive officer, Borish. Carlos Domingo, CEO and the co-founder of Securitize. There are so many speakers there in this conference. Smile Gupta, CEO Kraken. Kraken is an exchange also. It's like on Binance and Coinbase, I've said. Then say in-house crypto strategy and operation in Stripe. Stripe is a big company. You can get more information about them on when you search on Google, you can get more about the Stripe. It's a big company. Jos Fernandez da Ponte, senior vice president, digital currency, PayPal. PayPal, you know the PayPal, it's a cross-border payment platform, like a Visa, MasterCard, and so on. Asha Gunut, CEO Health 8. Jonathan Carbart, head of Robinhood Crypto. It's a Robinhood. It's an exchange also. Robinhood. Jonathan Levin, CEO and co-founder of Chain Analysis. Sunny Lu, CEO VeChain. VeChain. I think VeChain. It is a blockchain. Okay. Jack McDonald, SVIP stablecoin repo. Okay, this is the senior vice president of stablecoin repo. Repo make the coin which is called the XRP, as you know, and this one is the senior vice president of this stablecoin XRP from this company, Frank Monks. Here I am. Okay, Wendy O, founder of the Osho Crypto Wendy. Yeah, it's like it's an exchange also, Crypto Wendy. Ryan Rack, Global Head of Digital Asset, Treasury and Trade Solution Site. Craig Salom, Legal Officer, Grayscale, Founder Chairman, Brand, Michael Stenson, Secretaries, Anthony Del Oro, CEO of the Central Inc., Anthony Saul, MoneyGram, Chairman and CEO of MoneyGram. MoneyGram is also the cross-border payment. When you go to your bank to use this MoneyGram to transfer the money from one country to another country, or from one continent to another continent using MoneyGram. Ivan Sotoi, co-founder of MoonPay, Don Skopto, the Blockchain Research Institute. Ryan Ivan Grek, Vice President, Frigo and the Global Head of Coinbase. Okay. David Wanstensman, co-founder of Watchman. Johnson Zhao, Story. Ethan Bachman, Information System Cycle, CEO. David Butt, Government of Bermuda. Monad Foundation, Mike Slogans, Sebastian Bankes Galaxy, CoinDesk. This CoinDesk is a host of this conference. CoinDesk. This company will host this conference in Canada. Michel Liao, Consensus Chairman. Bitcoin. Okay. Guns Dragons. Yeah. Danish, German director. There are so many. CoinDesk reporter, Ian Alson, Nathan Alman. Okay. There are so many companies there and investors. Many. Okay. There's so many. So many. So I want to check where is Dr. Nicholas there, but there are so many. Let me check. So many. So welcome back. These are the all speakers which are held on that meeting. Reja, Await, MonPay. These are the top companies. I have said Microsoft, Google, Bybit, Stripe, Nvidia, Solana, Visa, Await. We're celebrating 10 years of consistency from 2015. The first concert take place in New York. Baron will come. Okay, guest sponsor 12 and a handful of speakers, including young crypto anarchist by name of Vitalik Buterin. We can check 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019. Okay. Experience this
Consensus 2024, let's go!
Consensus is where it's at. Let's get it.
That's what's happening here in Austin for Consensus 2024.